Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I show you how I transform my tiny little space into this easy, stylish and budget friendly birthday photoshoot background. Now let's get started. This is me displaying everything I used and I have listed them on the screen as you see. And here I was trying to straighten out the backdrop. This step is very important, otherwise the photos are going to be tacky. Started inflating the balloons here. Go ahead to use whatever you have, inflating machines or anything. For me it was meant to be a budget friendly, decor photo shoot, so we had to use what we have already. Please do well to follow this video strictly, and also I have made it easy by placing the prompts on the screen so you are guided easily. I apologize, I didn't realize I didn't show this part where I stuck the sticky glue to the wall, but here is me trying to do it. Yeah, so it's just simply, it's easy, and that was it. And just make sure to put it at the length of the person taking the shoot. For instance, if it's a short person or a child or baby, you have to start like halfway or medium, if you understand what I mean. And if it's a tall person, you have to like make it the whole length of the wall. Another important thing to make sure to do is to leave some clothing down the floor, so that when you take the shoot, the photo shoot, the rug or the flooring of the house does not show, but that the background is what really shows, if you know what I mean. Now this trick I'm about to show you is what makes the balloon gallant. If you check the previous clip, it was about to fall. This trick here will make it balance and you will not have any incidents of it trying to like fall, or if you understand what I mean. Balloons are very floating in nature, but if you do this trick, you just blow, pour in some water in the balloon and blow and stabilize with a rubber band, on the rest of the balloons. At this point we had finished and we're just doing some finishing touches. We spent less time on the entire process. Good thing we didn't have to break the bank just to create a memorable moment for our dear girl. Now check out the final reveal and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.